Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I'm creating a layout for the My Creative Scrapbook design team. I am using the absolutely gorgeous main kit for the month of June. Now, if you haven't seen my unboxing, I will leave a link to that down below in the description box. This month, the kit is filled with the Pink Fresh Studio Fresh Start collection. I am using the sketch that came included in the kit. So here's the sketch. This is created by Laura Creates. And what I immediately see here are 3x3 photos and maybe a couple 2x2s. I see a pattern paper on the side with some stitching, a journaling block. So that's where I'm going to start. So the pattern paper, it looks like in the sketch, there is a pattern paper in the background. So I liked this pattern paper with the inspiring words on it, or motivational words, things like every day's a fresh start, do your best, forget the rest. It's all part of the process. So I also like this pattern paper with the little stripes. So I took it over to my sewing machine. I am definitely an amateur sewer. So yeah, I'm not super happy with the way that my sewing turned out, but the show must go on. It's unique in its own way. And you know what? I'm trying. So I'm going to go with it. I've got a couple photos here. So this is a picture of me at the gym, and then this is a picture of some Factor meals. So I don't know if you've heard of Factor. Here's another one. Here's one of the meals, and then this is how it comes delivered to my house. But they are already prepared meals. They come refrigerated, and you just pop them in the microwave. You can customize the nutrition plans to how you want. So you can do low calorie, high protein. You can do GLP-1 eating. You can do, I don't know, there's just different options. If you're interested, I will leave a coupon code down below in the description box. I think I do get something, and I think you get something as well, like as a referral. So if you are interested, I would appreciate you using my link. So why I started this is I had torn my hamstring at the beginning of this year in January, and I had put on quite a few pounds, and because I wasn't able to exercise, like I normally would, I received an injection in my knee, which has helped, even though it's a hamstring injury. I don't know why, I had issues with my knee. So I'm just getting back into the gym, and this was super easy and convenient for me. It's a little pricey, I'm not going to lie. In the beginning, for the first like 5 weeks or something, you get lots of coupons. And I think the first week I used a friend's referral, and I think I got the first week completely free. So it was great to start. I am going to reduce the amount of meals I order. I was ordering 2 per day, so 14 meals in each delivery. But they're really good. There is not a meal that I haven't liked yet, so they're delicious. Okay, so I printed my photos 3x3. I printed home on my Epson PictureMate 400. I cut out, I used some of that pattern paper that was like the ombre paper and cut 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. And then I cut 2 1/4 by 2 1/4 blocks for those other little photos. So now I am using the Begin Again title. I mean, how perfect is that for documenting these photos, everything that's going on with, eating healthy again, trying to lose weight, and just getting back into the swing of things. Then I've got my journaling block down here, and I am going to add the little title that came in the ephemera, and it says every day is a fresh start. So I like that. Let's see here. There's also a little tab on the sketch, and so I thought just start was perfect. I'm not able to do the things in the gym like I did before my injury, but I'm just trying to walk and do some upper body things. So it looks a little different, but I'm still giving it a shot. Let's see. So now looking at the sketch, they have like a sun and some clouds. Well, I don't have that, but I've got florals, and the florals in this Pink Fresh Studio kit are stunning. I love these because they don't have the white border. A lot of times in collections, you'll have the florals with the borders. These don't have any borders, so they look, I don't know, they just look lifelike almost. There's lots of great leafy bits in this collection, so it is great. And I love this background paper. So it's unusual for me to create a scrapbook page with a pattern paper background. And I've actually created several this month using this collection with pattern paper backgrounds, and I love them. So I don't know if it's just the paper that's inspired me or if maybe I'm changing my style a bit. So I don't know. We'll see how this plays out. All right, I'm gonna glue down some leaves. So I'm picking up my flower. I did put foam on the back of that flower. And then I'm going to bring in some more and just keep creating that floral cluster over here. I'm going to add, oh, I don't know, 3 or 4 flowers just to give this some bulk over here. This might be the easiest layout that I've ever put together. I just love that about sketches. They take all of the guesswork out of things. So, if you can see the sketch and see your photos on it, and you've got a great kit like this to work with, it's amazing. Now, if you're not familiar with My Creative Scrapbook, they have multiple kits that you can choose from. This is the main kit, which I feel like is more trendy, kind of bright colors, things like that. Then they have a limited edition kit, which is more of like a vintage style. They have an album kit and a creative kit as well. So be sure to check them out. Now, if you're not already a kit subscriber, when you subscribe, add my name, Melissa Minor, as a referral, because if you do, they will send you a free gift. Now, I didn't use, any other products I used today. I'll link them down below in the description box. So I've got my sewing machine I can link. But if there's any other products that you're interested in purchasing, let me know and I'll give you a link. I always appreciate when you shop my links or use my name as a referral, because those things really do help me out here on YouTube. So thank you to all of those that do. You can see here I'm adding a few more florals. I decided to add a couple florals underneath my title. These little hearts were one of the little pop-outs on the die cuts. And then I'm taking a step back and looking and see what else do I need. I like this little push pin, so I'm going to add it up here. And I think I'm done at this point. And then I step back and I look at the layout and I'm like, oh, I need a couple more leaves. I did cut these leaves apart and I like the way that looks better. So I'm kind of like moving them around to make them a little more organic. I thought about maybe adding this little light blue flower because I like that it's at the bottom. So I kind of wanted to add another one just to tie that same color in. And you know what? I think I'm going to add it up here to the top. I love that. And then that kind of draws your eye around the page. So I've got my 3 clusters. I've got, the upper left. Over here on the right is this larger cluster. And then my journaling block is my 3rd. So I like the way that looks. And I think that really does help draw your eye around the page. So super cute. Again, I think I'm finished. And then I'm like, oh, you know what? I need another flower. So I'm tucking in another flower right here because why not? I have a butterfly and I auditioned it several places around the page, but it just doesn't make the cut. So I'm not going to use that. And I think that is about it. Let me see. Oh, you know what? I do add one more thing here. I add this little banner piece that says, "Let the new adventures begin." So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. And if you don't already follow me on Facebook or on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well. I'm really enjoying the kit this month. I hope this has given you some inspiration to break out your kit and start creating. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!